progress on the overall project. It's a big challenge for our teams to keep up with the safety and quality standards, but we will manage. I'm sure we'll make a success of this project.
Here you are welcome in the welding plant of New Capital. Here we're producing 306 meter long welded bar. And by the way, this is the first welding plant in Egypt to weld 60 kilogram rails. Here in New Capital, we weld 175 kilometer. And by the way, we have a temporary welding plant in 6 October. We already weld 33 kilometers. Here we installed 165 kilometers in the main line and already approved by NAT and our clients.
As you can see behind me, we have the railway station New Capital. I'm very proud of being part of this project, which is full of daily challenges and the environment which values teamwork. The activity of this season is one of the final steps of construction track before the delivery.